day 2, we are on the way to Jhansi. Now this is the place where we stayed yesterday. Yesterday, in fact, we couldn't reach Nagpur, but we did break our own record. We had done actually 875 kilometers before, and yesterday we covered kind of 975 kilometers, but we couldn't go to Nagpur because it started raining very heavily, and we had to take a lodge here, or we had to stop here and stay at this place. It's also ready. We'll go have breakfast and then start going to Jhansi. Today it's going to be another 750 to 800 kilometers of ride. Yeah, chalo boss. Guys, now it's a tough time to get into the vehicle. Then loaded in. Oops. Okay. All set. All set. And then here we go. Chalo Jhansi, we are coming. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This place is called Pandar Kawada. I don't know, Pandar Kawada, something it is called. Now this is the lodge we stayed, and we'll do Jhansi. I think it is first Nagpur. From Nagpur we'll hit Jhansi. That is how it is. Lovely place, lovely greenery, early morning, enjoying the day. I mean, it just started. I know it's going to get hotter as it goes. Even the car, is it? No. There's a topple. Not the car, no? How did this guy topple by the way? Oh, very bad, very bad. I don't think anything would have happened to the driver. No, nothing happened to the driver. It's just the damage to the vehicle. Fortunately, this is our breakfast. Hua. I don't know. So let's eat something, and then we have ordered some aloo parathas also. And for breakfast, I think this is the first time I'm eating this. Put it seriously, because we didn't get anything. I'm seriously hungry. Aloo paratha. Dal, pickle, dal. This stove will never skip. Fine guys, we're done with breakfast. Well, it took some time. Now everything need to be done. Everything need to be cooked and given. So we have to wait. Food is going to be a problem in our trip this time, I am sure. Hi. Which side? Which side are you off to?
We're going to Ladakh.
Ladakh, is that? Good, good, good. Let's catch up. We are also on our way.
Bangalore, no?
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka. Which side?
Mysore.
Mysore.
I was in Mysore. I moved to Bellary.
Ballari now. Good, good, good. Great. You're alone?
Yeah.
Good, good, good. We're from Bangalore. Going up to Ladakh now. See you. We'll catch up there. See you. Ona.
आपको कामठी जाना है क्या और कहीं जाना है? कामठी
सर मैं तो कश्मीर जाना है अभी फिलहाल. अभी मुझे ये जाना है, झांसी जाना है. झांसी सर. झांसी दिल्ली जाना है मुझे. दिल्ली जाने से पहले झांसी आता है ना.
झांसी
हाँ. नहीं मैप तो इसी ऐसी ही बोल रहा है. ये बाईपास है ना ये
बाईपास है.
हाँ ओके राइट सर. थैंक यू. चलो. There's a right behind me now. This is bypass and Tapa. So 11:30, and then we're on the outskirts of Nagpur. We are on the Nagpur-Jabalpur highway. Now I don't know if we'll go to Jabalpur, but then the map says that we'll have to. But what's the straight road? How far is it going? At least 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers straight. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out for these auto guys. We have just exited Nagpur. In fact, 21 kilometers away from Nagpur. We stopped here for loo. We stopped here for a loo. Had some water. Let's start. Let's start. We got another long way to go. The fuck? Lake. But lake. Bangalore से Bangalore Ladakh see you. So I'm going to stop there for a bit of coffee, cold water. Hey, watch out. ऐसा ठंडा पानी है हाँ ओके तो हमारा पानी ही पी लेंगे. These are for avoiding the animals to cross, no? Here and there. So, hey, this is Pench, pa. This is Pench. Ooh, wow. Finally the wall ends, the plastic wall ends. Basically this plastic wall is done so that the animals don't stray onto the road. Uri, wow. This is also overshot only. Overshot and hit. This looks too good, no? Checkered it looks. Guys, this is Pench Tiger Reserve, Siani. Rukad Gate. See, I've been to Ranthambore, I've been to Tadoba, Bharatpur I've been. Okay, but I never come to Pench. Pench is pending, and there are a lot more pending, which we'll have to do. Tipesh is also pending. I've never come there. Bandipur we have not gone properly. It was only once we have been there. Point. Hi, come. What's your name? Idima Jain. Good. Which standard are you in?
6th standard.
6th standard. My daughter is in 7th standard. Hanji. We're from Bangalore.
Bangalore to?
We go to Ladakh.
By bike.
Yeah, by bike, yes. Nice. Nice daughter you have. Nice family. They offered us food, in fact. So we said, thank you very much. We're leaving. Oh shit. Why is this burnt, man? It's still burning. Now, by the way, what is inside it? It's hit the thing and then something is burning there.
Diesel tank.
Yeah, but what is inside that? What is the load?
Chuppi the traveler.
Nice. Guys, this person has been traveling on a cycle. Really on a bike, like, our bum is aching and this guy is traveling on the cycle. Hats off here. Really nice. Beautiful. Good one.
180 kilometers.
Oh, okay.
Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, Hyderabad, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh.
Wow. How many days? Kitna din?
26 days.
Okay, Kusumvalli. This is where we had our lunch. We finished the lunch. Now we'll leave. Bye bye. Hi people, we're actually on our way to Jhansi and we've done 400 kilometers from morning and we stopped here for a small break. Now you see the beauty of this place. Beautiful place. So we stopped here for a small break, and now we'll continue on with our journey. We've done 400 kilometers from morning. One problem on this road is there is a lot of cattle on the road. I don't know why people have left cattle here. Everywhere you will find cattle on the road. So now the next I will catch you up is at Jhansi, or maybe a place where we have chai or something. हाँ अभी दिखेंगे. कुछ बोलो, आपका नाम बोलो सर.
मेरा नाम संजय है.
नाइस. आपका? आपका? गुड गुड गुड. तो अभी कितना दूर है सागर यहाँ से आपको?
सागर अभी 80 किलोमीटर.
हाँ 80 किलोमीटर. तीनों ऐसी हेलमेट नहीं है, ग्लासेस नहीं है. हमारा देखो कितना क्या क्या है.
दोस्त का घर है वहाँ पर.
अच्छी बात है, अच्छी बात, अच्छी बात, अच्छी बात है. चलो ओके, let's stop the ride again, but each time you stop we'll lose half an hour bus. That's the worst part. क्या करें? Okay, a little more further is a petrol bunk. Let's fill in fuel and then pack off. Wow, the sun looks good. Ah, that's the way it is. Okay, a small calculation mistake. We lost a petrol bunk and then I am on reserve. I have done 33 kilometers after the blinking. My vehicle can stop anywhere. Vinay says no, it can run up to another 50-60 kilometers. But if the vehicle stops, he is gonna go get fuel for me, right? Sunset, beautiful sunset, and Indian Oil petrol bunk also. Both giving me happiness. Petrol to mil gaya ba. So after the blinking, my vehicle can at least travel 40 kilometers. At least travel 40 kilometers. Right?
It will run up to 80 kilometers.
80, oh?
I challenge.
Okay, let's check. आइयो, थोड़ा बहुत भारी है गाड़ी. खड़ लेते हैं ना. हवा है, एयर है, अच्छी बात है सर. 800 किलोमीटर में एक पेट्रोल पंप में हवा नहीं मिला मैं.
800 किलोमीटर.
सीरियसली, कल से पूछ रहे हैं सभी जगह में.
पूरा करो.
अभी वो लॉरी को हवा भरता है ना, वो जगह में क्या हो जाता है, प्रेशर ठीक से नहीं मिलता.
डल
ज़्यादा हो जाता है या कम हो जाता है.
उसको एक ही एंगल में, नहीं तो बाहर आ जाएगा. रुको.
See this, basically. These guys come on the wrong route, cattle on road. Because who the hell calls this NH? Guys, this is the place we stopped for supper. Now we've done supper, and then we leave to Jhansi now. So Jhansi is another 200 kilometers, and it will take another 3.5 hours for us to reach that. So we'll try and reach Jhansi. Guys, we're crossing MP. So bye bye MP, and we're getting into Uttar Pradesh now. So that's the official border, and that's the checkpost though. That's the checkpost of MP. You can read it, integrated MP border checkpost. I wish these cattle are off. Hey doggy, yo bugger doggy. Fallen vehicle, no, yeah, that's, oh yeah, potholes, bloody potholes, I'll tell you what. This is getting carried. Guys, finally we've reached Jhansi, outskirts of Jhansi. Bloody shit, horrible roads. It's 11:50 and we successfully did 1775 kilometers today. This is what, August 15th special, is it? Independence Day special. Looks good though. So this is how it is. Now we'll have to go hunt for a room and then settle down.
Bandra?
I'm here.
Chalo.
Eli no 4 kilometers anta, right?
Illinda 4 kilometers.
Okay, thank you.
Ready, Lala?